Climate change moves faster than us. In a statement, United Nations Environment portrayed the global environment outlook, which was delivered by 250 researchers and specialists from more than 70 countries, as the most far-reaching and thorough assessment finished by the United Nations in the last 5 years. Unless environmental securities are drastically scaled up, the report says there could be many premature deaths by the center of this century, with pollutants in freshwater frameworks turning into a major cause of death by 2050. Plus, more chemicals known as endocrine disruptions will harm male and female fruitfulness, as well as the neurological advancement of youngsters. The United Nations Environment Assembly is the world's most elevated level dynamic body on the climate, where environmental pastors from around the world are meeting to tackle critical issues. For example, food waste, accelerating the spread of electric versatility, and the emergency of plastic contamination in the oceans. The science is clear. The health and prosperity of humanity are directly tied with the state of our environment, said Joyce Musia, acting executive director of the NEP. We are at a crossroads. Do we proceed on our present path, which will lead to a bleak future for humankind, or turn to a sustainable turn of presently? On a more idealistic note, the report makes clear that science, innovation, and financing exist to move towards a more sustainable global economy and guarantee that the direst outcome imaginable is avoided. Yet political leaders, along with a significant part of the general population and private area, are as yet married to outdated, dirty models of creation and advancement. Warranting a near zero waste economy by 2050 will require another global business approach, and the report shows that green venture of only 2% of countries' GPD will can be long-haul development compared with the same old thing approach. Yet, with fewer impacts from climate change, water scarcity, and loss of biological systems, as well as strategy changes that address whole frameworks like food and energy. The report advises the adoption of low meat slims down and a major cut in food waste. These two measures alone would cut by half the amount of food we should deliver to take care of the extended 9 to 10 billion individuals on the planet in 2050. As of now, the report states 33% of global eatable food is wasted, and the greater part of food created in industrialized countries is